If you're looking to automate your lead nurturing and save hours every week, Mailchimp is a powerful tool that can help streamline your process. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to automate lead nurturing with Mailchimp so you can focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing sales. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that you won't want to miss. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new audience or a segment in Mailchimp. This allows you to group your leads based on their behavior or interests. For instance, you can separate people who are just learning about your business from those who are closer to making a purchase. This segmentation is key to sending the right message to the right person at the right time. Next, you'll want to set up automated workflows. These workflows are the backbone of lead nurturing. They allow you to send automated emails to your contacts based on their actions. For example, if someone subscribes to your email list, Mailchimp can automatically send them a welcome email. And if they don't open it, you can create a follow-up email to try again. This ensures you're always engaging with leads without lifting a finger. The third thing you'll need is email templates. Mailchimp has a wide range of customizable templates, so you don't have to worry about designing emails from scratch. Choose a template that fits your branding and personalize it with dynamic content. Mailchimp lets you add content that changes based on your lead's activity, like product recommendations or special offers. This makes each email feel personal, even though it's automated. Next, let's talk about triggers. Triggers are what set your workflows in motion. For instance, if someone clicks a link in one of your emails, that can trigger a follow-up email to guide them further down the sales funnel. You can set multiple triggers within a single workflow to guide leads from one step to the next, making sure they never feel neglected. The fifth thing to consider is testing and optimization. With Mailchimp, you can run A/B tests to see which emails are performing better. You can test subject lines, email copy, images, or even the time of day your emails are sent. By optimizing your workflows, you'll increase engagement and get better results from your lead nurturing efforts. The last thing I'll mention is reporting. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics that show how your automated emails are performing. You'll get data on open rates, click rates, and more. Use this data to refine your strategy and continuously improve how you nurture your leads. So, as you can see, automating lead nurturing with Mailchimp is not only easy, but essential for growing your business. It helps you stay connected with leads at scale, ensures timely follow-ups, and allows you to focus on converting prospects instead of worrying about manually sending emails. Before we wrap up, remember that you can use Mailchimp completely free from the link in the description below, and you'll also get an exclusive bonus that will help you get started faster. This is a limited time offer, so don't wait. Now go ahead, set up your automation, and start nurturing your leads with Mailchimp. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it.